Action.
Hi, my name is Rodney Charters ASC. We wanted to shoot a short film testing out the whole range of LED lights from Nanlux and showing how they can be used in a variety of different situations on high-end or even feature film production. And in this particular scene, it's a homecoming of a broken family. The husband's come back and hopefully reunites with the wife. I suppose we should come around a little on axis. Camera left. Maybe we should warm it up. I think it's important that you make all of photography feel real. And in a perfect world, it shouldn't feel lit. Well, obviously we're using light, but if you do it in a careful way, they feel believable. And it's important as your role as a cinematographer to ask the actor, you feel this light here. If you could give me a little bit more of an angle, it'll catch you better. We actually put up an 8x8 Griffolyn outside and we punched the 2400B into it. Dad comes in, that's the soft wash across there, and catches him as he comes inside the door with Pavo lights and making you feel there are other windows in the property. From the left is a PavoSlim, and also from the right is a PavoSlim. The practicals are all under our control. The PavoSlims are a lovely light that's more of a matte. They can be 2x2 and bigger. You can add them together. And the fact that you can shape it and diffuse it and soften it and change its color very controllably without affecting anything else. It's a great workhorse. And there's a tube up above the window just to help. I think I'd like a little bit of a double net action. Nicely shadowed.
Yeah, I've forgotten.
Yeah. That's at 10, Biggles? Maybe we should warm it up. What's it at right now? These practicals play a significant amount, and then there's a little bit of natural daylight coming in here as fill. We brought lights inside and changed them a little bit for the close-ups, but this was our master look. And what's that at now, Biggles?
15% there.
All right, you could go to maybe down to 10. We brought in a little helper for her. You tend to give a little bit more light on a close-up because you can bring the lamps in closer to the edge of the frame. I'm a super believer in color contrast. If you go about with your eyes open, in reality you see coolness and warmth and other hues all the time. And when everything is on CRMX control and you have an iPad running blackout, it's very easy to say, please take it down 5 points, bring it up, change the hue and the saturation, and that's how you work now. We used to run around with the meter and gels. Take it down then. Go to 80. It's important that the actors are in a scene which is natural and not artificial, and they adapt to that and they feel motivated by it.